A few days ago, a doctor showed me an amazingly simple DIY technique for taking off a ring that was stuck on my finger. We all know how it feels when the finger swells, and no matter how hard you twist or pull, the ring refuses to move. It can be painful, frustrating, and even a bit scary, but do not worry, there is an easy and safe solution hidden among the best home tricks that anyone can try. Let me walk you through this do-it-yourself method step by step, so you will know exactly what to do if it ever happens to you or someone you know. It requires no special tools, just something you already have at home. I promise, once you learn it, you will never forget it and might even become the person everyone turns to for clever advice. All you need is a strong piece of thread or a thin cord. Begin by gently sliding one end of the thread underneath the ring, making sure it slips between the skin and the metal. Take your time so you do not cause any pain or irritation. Once that is done, start wrapping the thread tightly around the swollen part of the finger. Keep each loop very close to the previous one, as this gradual compression helps reduce the swelling and creates space for the ring to move. When you have wrapped the thread all the way down to the base of the finger, secure the loose end with a small piece of tape, so it stays in place while you work. Now for the clever part, take the first end of the thread, the one that went under the ring, and slowly begin to unwind it. As the thread unwraps, it gently pushes the ring upward. With every turn, the ring will move a little further until it slides right off without any discomfort. It may sound surprisingly easy, but this method truly works. It is safe, painless, and extremely practical. So next time your ring gets stuck, try this simple DIY solution instead of panicking. It can save you time, stress, and even a trip to the doctor. Remember to share this do-it-yourself trick with your friends and family. You never know who might need it one day.